Hello there, it's me, earthmanbrick, and we're back with another plastic box set. This time we're looking at Wargames Atlantic's Villagers box set. And this is a really nice set of sprues that we've got in here. We do have blurb on the back and the suggested game they have, because these are game agnostic. And yeah, the suggested game is Guards of Traitor's Toll. But these would look damn good in a game of Mordheim, or any other such kind of fantasy setting, but we'll be using them for a Wild West setting. So let's have a look at the sprues themselves. So I'll just pop this down. Let's get the camera down. And let's have a look. So you've got a whole myriad of different heads. Let's have a closer peek. And look at all that. Look at all these glorious feathers. Yep, they've spared no expense on this one. It even comes with several animals. You've got a snake. I think there's an owl somewhere. That's it there. Yeah, a lot more heads along the bottom here. Even have a little skull, teapot, book, candle, telescope, all sorts. Satchel, bucket, necklace, ladle, pot. And yeah, a whole host of random different little things. And you get 6 miniatures on each sprue. You've got these optional cowls that you can put on, or an apron. Very nice. And yes, as per the box, you can even have them so that they're carrying a flute or any such thing. I mean, the person who's done the paint job on these has really done them justice. But yes, how did we get on with painting them? So, what I've done, let's see what else you get in the box actually first. So it doesn't actually come with any bases, which is a bit like false advertising, because you can see there's bases clearly here, but nope, you don't get them. So I sculpted my own anyway, and here's what how we've done with them. So I've got 4 here, and I thought these would be agnostic enough to for a Wild West setting. So we've got a miner here. So that'd be the type of fella you'd see in town. We've got a blacksmith here. That's him with his apron. And we've got a lady, perhaps a lady of the night, or just an actual lady, you don't know. And we've got a street beggar who's obviously been injured in the war or some such, and he's begging for coin. So that's just an example of what you can do. But because we're going for the Wild West, I thought I'd mix and match them with the Gunfighters box sets. So we've got the Gunfighters and Gunfighters 2, one's women, one's men. And I thought I'd use the Gunfighters 2 because we've got a couple of women bodies here. And so I've just kind of tarted them up. I mean, oh my goodness, this is probably one of my worst ever paint jobs, but when you're looking at it from that sort of distance, nobody cares. And yeah, these parts all mix and match and they go together very nicely. So yeah, you can easily have them with pistols and stuff. So you can use them to spruce things up in that sort of manner. Now I'm going to put up a little display just to show what it would look like in a busy town. Bye for now, see you again soon. Hello again, and we're back. So here's a little town setting, so you can see the little beggar, he's under the bridge there. We've got a blacksmith probably on his way to the gunsmith to see if they need any ingots. And there's our miner, he's just mopsing his way through town. Got a lady outside the flower shop admiring the local plants, the flora. And then we've got a couple of ladies that have just come into town. And they're looking a little bit on edge. But yeah. So, these bases, I guess I'll speak about them briefly. These were just made out of milliput, so you can just, with a basic sculpting tool or knife, just, make up some brick shapes. I've done it's one of my first videos actually, making cobblestones. Very easy to do, you can do them in any kind of a variety. You can see I've got some here as well. Just very nice. I think it just kind of finishes and gives a little bit of realism to your builds. But that's all I've got for you today. So, would I recommend the Villagers box set? Yeah, it's pretty good. Definitely get it on discount if you can, because it's bloody expensive. These guys are bloody ripping people off left, right and centre. So yeah, definitely get it if you can get it cheap. You know, I would always recommend never buying it from source. If you buy it from Wargames Atlantic, you're a fool. Buy it from some other third party, because then you're going to get a 10% or 20% discount. But yeah, I think these have turned out okay. I mean, horrible paint job, but yeah, it looks good enough. But that's all I've got for you today, so thanks again for watching.